Oh, I didn't see you there. My name's Professor Watson.
Hey, I'm Methane, and you're watching Disney Channel.
I'm the cameraman.
Y'all. What's up, Professor? What's up, Mr. Chao? I've come to you about some questions about this molecule called methane.
Oh, really?
Yeah, in my meteorology class, they were talking about methane and how it affected the greenhouse gas or something like that. What can you tell me more about it?
Yeah. Do you want to know about like how it's formed or?
Yeah. Everything.
All right, everything. All right. Well, so one of the ways that methane is formed is through the process of methanogenesis, which actually takes place in like lakes, swamps, deep hydrothermal vents, and then it can also take place in biomass burning and fossil fuel emissions, which are two examples of combustion.
Okay. So, wait a minute. What the heck are methanogens?
Methanogens are bacteria that basically break down your food and release methane as waste. So, in your case, eating grass. And breaking that down allows for methane to be emitted into the atmosphere.
Okay.
And so,
2 hours later.
What's up, Mr. Cow?
Hey, what's up?
My name is Methane, but everybody calls me marsh gas. I am made up of 1 carbon and 4 hydrogens, and I'm tightly knit by covalent bonds. I get released alongside your waste into the atmosphere.
Really? But, ew.
Don't blame me, blame the bacteria in your intestines. After leaving your gut, my symmetrical tetrahedral formation makes it difficult for me to bond with anybody else. The relationship between my hydrogen atoms and the carbon atom is pretty darn stable. So it's difficult for me to make any friends. Also, because I'm less dense than air, which is mostly made up of nitrogen and oxygen atoms, I just continue to drift upwards into the ozone layer. So in large amounts, I can be destructive because my CH bonds have a high bond energy. I have an affinity for absorbing the sun's energy and trapping it in the atmosphere. This quality is what allowed me to be certified as a greenhouse gas.
Wow, so there's a lot of you. Wait, so how many of you are there?
Enough to cause the temperature of the Earth to rise significantly. The methane molecules were able to raise the entire Earth's temperature by 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit since 1880. Back in 2016, the EPA actually decided to put the first ever national rule to directly limit methane operations from oil and gas operations into effect because of this.
Wow, so you need to chill.
If I'm burned as part of natural gas, though, I power homes, cars, utilities, plants, everything. And I produce more energy in the form of light and heat energy than any other molecule with my constituents. And I do that while producing less pollutants and emissions. Although my carbon is satisfied with my hydrogens, a reaction called combustion makes it easier for me to form a bond between my carbon and another oxygen atom.
Oh wow, that's sick.